Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So many of you are there. So I can see Paulani, Abhishek, Rachna, Pushpender, Talib. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are each one of you? Are you doing well for yourselves? Good morning. Come on. Show some Josh. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you all doing? How are you all doing? Hey guys. Hey guys. Good. Guys, 1 second. So there is. Yes. Can you all hear me now? One second, guys. I'm just modifying the chat so that I can talk to each one of you. And yes, we are done. How are you? So good to see you. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? Today is a beautiful day, a bright day, one of the most amazing days of the year, 8th November. Good morning. So good to see you. And today we will have one of the best classes that you will remember for the rest of your life, one of the best classes of class 11th as well as for class 12th. So welcome to the class because it's one of the most beautiful days of the year. So we will have one of the most amazing classes of this year. Yes, are you ready to study the toughest topic of class 11th with me and make this topic crystal clear? Very good morning to each one of you. I'm feeling very nice and very happy today. I hope all of you are also feeling nice. And together, let's move ahead and make the toughest topic of class 11th the easiest topic of class 11th. Done? So can we do that, everybody? Yes. Perfect. And this weekend again VBiotonic is bringing a major surprise for all of you. So just stay connected with all of us. Done? Chalo. So relax. That's what I want you to do. That's what I tell you every day. Relax. Tell your mom again to make a nice cup of tea or coffee for you because I promise in today's class I'm going to make this topic, which is one of the toughest topic of class 11th, the easiest topic for you. That's my promise to you. Done? So with that promise, let's start today's class. I will make this topic so easy. Just one request, you have to stay connected with me. Done? So you have to stay connected. You don't have to go anywhere. Give me 40 minutes. I promise to do Menti and I promise to do this chapter so well that you will never ever even do one MCQ wrong from this topic. Cool? So chaliye, let's start today's amazing class. This is none other than your favorite Vani ma'am, and we are so grateful to you, for all the love that you are sending our way, and we are increasing our numbers, our subscribers like anything. So thank you so much. It's only because of your love that all of this is possible. This is our super amazing Telegram group. Every day we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of students join our Telegram group. Please join it because all class notifications, all PDFs, all mind maps, everything, and my handwritten physics and chemistry notes, very soon I am assembling them, taking printouts of them. So very soon my own handwritten physics and chemistry notes will be available on this amazing Telegram group. Please download the app. So once you download the app, you can have access to our amazing micro courses. Please do it. Hundreds of you are joining my micro courses and studying in the evenings also from me. So you will have access to our micro courses. You need to use a code called VDMIC on the app and you get about a 95% discount on the micro courses. So please download the app so that you can get a 95% discount on the micro course. That's the super amazing team of VBiotonic. So please make sure you like, share and subscribe to our amazing channel. Please, if you haven't done it, do it, and let's start the class on Oxidative phosphorylation. It's a very important topic because the number of questions can be 4. Out of that one question, 100% will be from oxidative phosphorylation. Total marks are 16, weightage is 8. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसके बाद की आज को जो सेकंड क्लास है वो जीन एक्सप्रेशन की है, वो क्लास भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उस पे भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. तो अगर आप सिर्फ आज 2 40 मिनट्स के लेक्चर देख लोगे, दैट्स जस्ट अबाउट 40 + 40 मिनट्स, दैट कैन डेफिनेटली गिव यू 8+ मार्क्स इन योर नीट 2020. चलो, सो लेट्स मूव अहेड गाइस. सो हमने let's do a revision and I promise today's class will be amazing. So let's do a quick revision and be started. Yes, come on guys, show some josh. So I can see Jyoti, Swapnil, Nainshi, Sakshi, Alingon, Tanya, Aditi, Tajim, Rachna, Tanvi. Come on guys. Yes, Kishan, kya ho gaya? Done? Everybody? Yes, everybody? Perfecto, gelato, viletto. So let's start today's amazing class. Done? Josh is high, happy. Let's start. Done. All of you feeling good, feeling fine. Yes. Chalo, let's make, you want to make this concept crystal clear with me? You want to make electron transport chain crystal clear? Should we do this? Should we make electron transport chain crystal clear? Yo. Come on, that's the Josh, that's the Josh, that's the Josh. So हमने शुरू कहाँ से किया? We started with glycolysis. We eat food, all the food is broken down into simple sugar. What is a simple sugar? So whatever food you eat, that food is broken down into simple sugars. You get my point? Whatever food you eat, that food needs to get broken down into simple sugars. Right, Kishan? So simple sugars, food is broken down into glucose. Glucose का breakdown glycolysis है. मैंने आपको एक easy तरीका दिया है इसको याद करने का. I've told you not to remember the word glyco, which might emphasize glycogen. I've told you to remember the word glucolysis. Have I not? Right? So you break down. What do you break down? What do you break down? Glucose. Come on, click a snapshot of this. What do you break down? You break down glucose, and breaking of glucose is called as glycolysis. Any doubts? Any doubts, guys? Done? Okay, so you break down the glucose in the molecules of pyruvate. How many pyruvate molecules do you get? Come on, Sosham Josh. How many pyruvate molecules do you get? 2, because this is a 3-carbon compound. Can the 3-carbon compound enter mitochondria? Yes. Nainshi, Paulani, Rashmi, can the 3-carbon compound enter the mitochondria? No. So immediately this 3-carbon needs to be broken down into a 2-carbon compound. Converting the 3-carbon compound into a 2-carbon compound with coenzyme A is called the link reaction or the transition phase. I've given you one more name for it. What is the other name that I've given? Link reaction. What is the other name that I've given? Come on guys. I've given the name link reaction. What is the other name? Link reaction. Right? Any doubts? Any doubts till now? So we've given the name link reaction. Pyruvic acid is shuttled into the mitochondria where it is converted into acetyl-CoA. Did we study in yesterday's class with the help of a very beautiful cycle? Did I teach you Krebs cycle, citric acid cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle? Did I teach you in this cycle that you have to break down oxidative metabolism? Right? You break down citrate में convert करते थे, isomerization करते थे, isocitrate करते थे, alpha ketoglutarate करते थे, succinyl CoA, succinate, fumarate, malate, दोबारा से oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate has got 4 carbon, used to accept 2 carbon, used to become 6 carbon. So that is the Krebs cycle. Now leave this. Leave this. Let's just move ahead. Leave all of this. Leave this. Now is the most important part of the class. I will teach you the toughest concept of class 11th in the most simplified way. Can you pick up a paper and pen? Otherwise, don't even pick up a paper and pen. Just sit, relax. Will you do that? Will you do that? Will you just relax and sit? And I will make the toughest concept of class 11th absolutely crystal clear for you. Done? So just sit, relax. Now, this is a mitochondria. Let's do that. So this is a mitochondria. This is the outer membrane of the mitochondria. and the inner membrane of the mitochondria is thrown into these folds, which could be called as crista. Correct? These folds. There is a space here. This space is called the perimitochondrial space. Which space? Perimitochondrial space. There is a space here which is called as matrix. So in today's class, this is what our primary focus will be. This is what our very primary focus will be. I will teach you in such a simple way that you'll be like, wow, done. So I did a process called glycolysis. I did another process called link reaction. I did one more process called Krebs cycle. In all of them, in all of these processes, I did produce, मैंने produce किया कुछ amount of ATP. Can I call this the cash? Can I call this the energy currency or the cash? Come on. Can I call this the energy currency or the cash? Come on, guys. Can I call it the energy currency or the cash? Everybody, just don't be here for 40 minutes. Be here for 5 minutes. I will make your concepts crystal clear. Just be here for 5 minutes. Pin drop silence and pay attention. But I also produced something. I also produced something which is called as NADPH. Yes. I also produced something which is called as FADH. Correct? Did I produce? Yes, ma'am. This is the check. This is the demand draft, DD. Have you heard of DD? Have you heard of DD? आप अभी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लोगे तो आप ये वर्ड बहुत सुनोगे. You will hear of a word called DD. Is that clear, Sakshi? Yes, everybody, is that clear? So now, do you have to go to the bank to get cash? जितने का चेक है और जितने की DD है, do you have to go to the bank to get cash of the same amount? And the bank is in the matrix. Where is the bank? The bank where you can get the cash from is in the matrix. So can I tell you how to go to the bank, how to fill the checkbook? When you have to go and encash the check, you have to fill a book and then give with the check, and then demand draft you have to fill. Yes. So can I show you that process? Are you ready to see what is happening in the bank of the matrix? Should I tell you? Chalo. So let's start. Awesome class. It's going to be. Just be here for another 5 minutes. Amazing class. Pay attention. Do you know the meaning of this? Do you know the meaning of this? Do you know the meaning of this? Oxidation is loss of electron. What is it? It's a loss of electron. Done? And what is reduction? It's the gain of electron. Reduction is gain of electron, oxidation is loss of electron. Done? Come on, guys, I don't want anybody going anywhere for the next 5 minutes at least. Done? Okay. Now, do you have this? Do you have this? Is it a high energy compound? Is it a high energy compound? Say yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, please. Just say this. Is it a high energy compound? Yes, ma'am. I will, okay, leave it for 10 seconds and focus on another word which I am telling you. There is another very important word. That word is called as oxidative phosphorylation. What is the word? Oxidative phosphorylation. That means in the presence of oxygen, with the help of oxygen, you can add DP to IP and make it ATP. इसमें इसका बहुत बड़ा रोल है, बहुत बड़ा रोल है. Oxidative phosphorylation means in the presence of oxygen you can add DP and IP and make it TP. करेक्ट इसका रोल है।